Hi, I'm Shalise. I'm an interior designer and property investor based in Malta. Ever since I was a little girl, I dreamed of moving to the Mediterranean, and now I help others turn that dream into reality.
Today I'm breaking down the myths and realities of buying a cheap house in Sicily, and at the end, I'll share how I help people turn these fixer-uppers into dream homes. The first myth: you can buy a house for just €1 and move in right away. The reality is that while some towns offer €1 homes, they come with strict conditions. You must commit to renovating the house within a set period, usually 1 to 3 years, and the cost can range from $30,000 to over $100,000, depending on the size and condition. Myth number 2: there are no extra costs. Aside from renovations, buyers must cover legal fees, taxes, and utility connections. And if you're not from the EU, visa requirements can also impact your plans. Myth number 3: there are unlimited cheap houses everywhere. While some towns have €1 schemes, there are many affordable properties in Sicily for between €10,000 to €50,000 that don't come with as many restrictions. The key is knowing where to look and what to expect. Sicily has affordable real estate compared to the rest of Italy. They also have an incredible culture, history, lifestyle with amazing food, warm people, and beautiful landscapes. There's a lot of potential for rental income if you renovate well and choose the right location. Some areas are more isolated, so it's important to choose a location that suits your needs. So how do you actually buy and renovate a house in Sicily without the headache? That's where I come in. I help foreigners find the right property, navigate the legal processes, and connect with trustworthy local builders and architects. Whether you want a holiday home, a rental property, or a forever home, I guide you through the entire journey to make sure your investment is smart, smooth, and successful. But what if you could learn the entire process step by step, from choosing the right location to closing the deal, without making costly mistakes? That's exactly why I created my exclusive Sicilian and Italian real estate investing course. Inside the course, you'll learn how to find the best deals before anyone else, how to navigate the legal process of buying in Italy, how to renovate efficiently and avoid unreliable contractors, and so much more. As a special launch offer, the first 100 buyers get the full course for just €49. And if you want personalized, one-on-one guidance, there's an upgraded version that includes private consultation calls with me to walk you through your exact property goals. Start for free with the introductory lesson to see if it's right for you. Click the link in the description to sign up now. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on Italian real estate. And see you in Sicily.